Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Create a dedicated developer account and enable multi-factor authentication. This prevents shared credential risks. Once created, assign only the roles you need so you avoid accidental production changes. Then generate API keys and SSH keys and store them in a secure vault or environment variables on your machine. Make sure to version control code, but exclude secrets. This protects credentials and sets you up to perform the next deployment step safely. Once your credentials are in place, configure the command line tools and SDKs to point at the dev account. This routes actions away from production. Use feature flags and a sandbox environment to iterate safely because you want to test behavior without impacting users. Run smoke tests locally, then push to CI to validate pipelines and permissions. If an operation fails, check IAM policies and token scopes. Fixing those avoids repeated failures and keeps the pipeline moving toward deployment. Now deploy small, incremental changes using the dev account so you can monitor logs and metrics closely. This lowers blast radius. Keep a rollback plan ready, use tags, snapshots, or a known revert command to restore quickly if needed. Once deployed, validate integrations and performance. If something goes wrong, first inspect logs, then confirm IAM permissions and token expiry. Often an expired token or missing permission is the issue. If that fails, replicate the error locally and escalate with precise logs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.